In today's video, we show you a brand new series as we go behind the scenes to show you how they did it.
This week, we've been working with big YouTubers. The first in this series is one of yours and our favourites, Peter Mckinnon. Now, your big questions will be answered in this video because we've been working with Peter and he shared with us his storyboard to success in his latest video. And I'm going to be following the footsteps with you so that you know how to be more like your mate, your
friend?
You know, Peter Mckinnon.
Yeah.
I don't know if he's their friend, really.
Depending on the success of this video, we're going to be showing you different YouTubers each week, going behind the scenes, having a little rummage in their bag of success to see how they did their latest trick, their latest shot, their latest video, to show you so you can include it in yours. And today's title is...
how to get paid by AdSense and sponsorships when you're lazy.
That's what he put.
No, maybe drop that bit out.
Okay, right.
Okay, we'll go with...
How to get paid, put out a video, tidy up, not go out, and keep out of the wife's way. It's probably a bit too much honesty in that one.
Okay, we need something more clickbaity.
A bit catchier.
And we're going to show you how to make a video like Peter Mckinnon.
That's catchy. That's
okay,
good.
Let's.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's see if I can do this. Next up is Velcro. Okay. Grab a lens and click it. Satisfying. Grab another lens. Click. Pack headphones. Have you got any of those headphones, AJ? You know, the earpods, they're really quite fashionable. We need them.
We don't have any.
Okay, we'll skip the headphones. Memory cards.
Pete, can you not do that with the batteries? They're not really dead when you break them.
I know I need to for the video.
Yeah, but just like, can you pretend to?
No, because the batteries won't make a sound otherwise.
Should I smell?
It's just about packing stuff. I haven't got as many lenses, so I've opted out of a couple of lenses to go with this.
I call bullshit. That's bullshit.
Roxanne, you don't have to put on a red light. Those days are over. Say it, but it's late. I need to do an advert. So, woo-wee! This little thing, one of the best things I've ever bought. Every videographer, photographer needs one of these nano shaky eggs. And you can buy one from Great Photography Skills by peteandaj.com.uk.eu for just 99 cents. Thanks to our friends over at Nano Eggs. There was no way I wasn't going to do the transition. He said 45 minutes to do that transition. No.
Nah.
Oh, hi Pete. It's me again, just to remind you to do the advert. Don't interrupt my advert. Oh, I've got to do the advert. Just be quiet. Yeah, I would be quiet, but what about the advert? I know about the advert, Pete. Go away. Okay, you, Pete. Nano egg.
Bullshit. You're such a liar. Bullshit.
Woo-wee!
That's bullshit. Bullshit.
I mean, that's a two-man job, right? Two-man job, AJ. I mean, you could have just come in, helped me just do this bit, and then after it's done, we could have put a cut in.
Oh, sorry.
Like just
It's quite tight in there.
right.
Yep.
Right, stand out of the shot for the edit.
Yep.
Okay, stand out. No, you've got to stand out of the
This
shot
way?
now.
This way.
Just out, as long as you're out.
Do you know how this bit?
I know how to
You've got
do-
that bit. It just goes in there, like that.
We don't even use this. I think the coffee's unnecessary. I don't think I'd share that with him, but there's no way you need that much coffee.
No.
I felt it was easy. Probably one of the quickest videos we've done.
Yeah, I mean, I don't even know if they need a tutorial for it, to be honest. Just watch it,
Yeah.
chuck stuff in a bag, you're done. Yeah. I mean,
Great content though, guys.
oh yeah, riveting content.
There you
riveting.
go. And we'd like to say a special thank you for this week's show to Peter Mckinnon. Peter, we're huge fans. We really appreciate you sending across the storyboard to your video
generous.
so we can show our fans how to be just like you. Any favourite bits today? Anything that you'd like to wrap up that you enjoyed?
I particularly liked the bit of the bag.
Good.
Yeah,
Good.
That was good.
Obviously, we'd like to thank our sponsors for today's video.
Pete's mum.
Thank you.
Right, I suppose we should end it then. Yeah,
Dip to black or something.
fade out.
Yeah.
Like all
Just
those
put-
good songs.
In comes the music. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. And then dip to black now. That's it. That's good.
You seen this? It's like a pillow for your neck.